This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Mahama Gonzales. This beautiful 2-story home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, to include a large finished room over the garage and a beautiful deck, great for outdoor entertainment. A fabulous floor plan with a large eat-in kitchen, great for family gatherings, living room, dining room and office space. A large master suite with 2 walk-in closets. Family-friendly neighborhood and highly sought-after Western Branch School District. A must-see. Home warranty includes HVAC. For more information, review the details below or contact Mahama Gonzales at 757-717-0957.